How often should I service my computer? Like a general service, clean up or tune up. I always bring an example like you're driving your car, it's healthy, you're gonna need to change your oil every 5,000, every 10,000 miles. So computers are like cars. They require maintenance internally, hardware-wise, and software. The operating system over of time, like a sponge, collect a lot of stuff like that needs to be cleaned up. Otherwise, it's gonna be clogged with a lot of unnecessary services, unnecessary startup, now missing registry keys based on the usage twice or at least once a year. This way, you know your computer is healthy, you know your computer is running fine, and it's not going to surprise you down the road. When you're working on something, it won't shut down. When you're working on something, it won't get you to blue screen because you keep maintaining your computer.